Police are probing the death of a man who was killed by a mob in St. Elizabeth sometime after 2 Saturday afternoon in Myersville. It's reported that the man broke into a house, stole items including cash, and was attempting to leave. He was, however, confronted by residents. It is alleged he brandished a knife in a bid to escape, but residents used stones and other cutting tools to inflict wounds on him. Police further report that residents subsequently set the would-be getaway vehicle on fire with the man inside the unit. The injured man was eventually taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. He has been identified as Jermaine Davis of a Silver Grove, Mandeville, Manchester address. The victim of the alleged burglary was left stunned. She explained she left her house just minutes before.
So a peaceful place this and this gonna happen, no?
Yeah, man, a peaceful place. When me come one crowd of people like nothing surround the place. You ain't going to the house. Price up every, me just like, what I mean, me jaw them, me chest jaw, me toe jaw with the key and me just and take out the money and stuff.